Hi, today we're doing a paper crane tutorial and we're doing it in English. So, first you need to fold diagonally the square paper. You reopen it and you fold the other way. You open again, you turn the paper and you fold it to make a rectangle. You open it again and you do the same thing the other way. Then you open it, you take this part and put it here, then you take this part and put it here and fold down, and so you obtain a square, little. Then you fold this in, same thing on the other side. Turn the paper and you do the same thing. And so you obtain a kite. Then you fold this top part forward and backwards. Then the most difficult part, you open this and put it up. You fold this part in and also on the other side. You turn the paper and you do the same thing. And so you obtain another rhombus with this part open. From this part you fold in like before, also the other way, and on the other side you turn it, you do the same thing. Then you take this part and you fold it in. You take the other two parts and you fold them in. And you obtain two sort of ears. Then you see this line, you fold this part in above, and same thing the other way. Then again you take this, you put it together, and you take the other part and put it together. And then almost done. These are the wings that you fold down. And now you fold this down, and these two, and then one is the tail and the other is the beak. You can decide which is the tail, which is the beak, and you fold the top part down so that, and you fold it down and in, and so this is the paper crane. Thank you.